Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be trying out this flour sifter. I am going to compare if it's a better sifter than a manual sifter. This is my first time to ever use a kind of mechanical sifter. I've always been just using the regular manual sifter, so let's see if this works. Okay, so let's open it up. So that's all it came in the box. So this is supposed to be 4 cups. Let's see, there is a measurement on the inside, as you can see. Let's see here. There, it's in grams. It's 125 and then 250, but the website description said it was 4 cups. So let's hold it in your hand. You do like this. Try it. So I'm gonna pour some flour. There. And my daughter's gonna wait. Oops. Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You can see. Yeah, it is already definitely better than a regular one. Does it work even without? No, don't do that. Don't. It works not as good if you just like shake it, but try to, yeah, it releases more flour when you crank the bottom I mean. So let's try one more time. Let's do a full 4 cups. And look how fine the flour is. Let's try one more time. Oops. Pull it high anyway. You can see. Okay. Is it done? And when it's done, there is a little bit of residue on the sides. Let me see if we could get it all out, but if not, it's very little, so you could just like dump it like manually like this. So that is our test for today for this Omisata flour sifter. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye, Umi.
Thank you for watching our channel.